Hello, Busiafo. Me sama wo akwaba eba fufufu TV so. Wason for Kwame Chumesini. And that year we have a newcomer with us. I think so. You guys know me. My name is Kwame. You guys know Bernard. Bernard had created a lot of videos on this channel. And today we have a new member, your friend of Sister Nancy. Sister Nancy, trust you doing well.
Yes, Kwame, I'm doing well, my first.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you so much for joining us. So, guys, moving forward from today, so you'll be seeing Kwame, you'll be seeing Nancy, you'll be seeing Bernard. So feel free to reach out. And the video, no, yeah, my name. We are going to talk about winning products. So what sort of winning product can you guys basically go and buy and sell? When we talk about business, we have people that normally target certain products. And for us, we on cars throughout the whole year. So for those people, they know their market. And so Tonkas on him say ABR, maybe January, February, March, a month for Tonyama pa. But ABR, April, May, June, yeah, and Tonyama. Yeah, so those people they know their business. But we have many importers like yourself and I. We look at what is trending. And we also look at the sort of season that we are in. Into ABR said during December, because for oil na me toy na call pana. ABR January, February, March, before oil I enko. Yeah, and in today's video, what sort of product is going to be hot cake in the next 3 months? And I remember, yeah, because we look at what is trending, the sort of season nearby room, into with the sort of product now, if you are someone that is smart and you really want to make money with mini importation, then please take your pens and paper and jot down everything that we're going to share in this video. Of course, if today is the first time you're coming on this channel, please show some love and click on that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you do not miss out when we release any important information. And to mention, Sister Nancy and Mr. Bernard, Mosha, what sort of products na ubi ekofa? So about beton within the next year, the next month and 2 months, nipa chrono to me aton ni easily with no hassle.
Okay, Ghana Hanoma, it's not say you be raining season in winter, maybe to say umbrella, rain hoodies, no, a bear hot cake because if you better, you go page, you go school. If it's that in your way, you go be here, in the enemy winning product, and you ever say a shake. You go back, say, you're the chairman, baga waterproof by to China buy. In Sanyama waving, so you bet me a chairman be opening the actual. And I say, some more person to be not say, you need quite bits in your past water. Yes, you bet in your bow was that fine.
Okay. Intimate yet Sister Nancy here pana or say we are getting into the raining season. Into we a mini importer. I think say okofa nyema amafo betumi share in the raining season ebeko pa. Great idea pa. Okay. And to patch also nyema na biti said then hoodies.
Patch your hoodies for honon.
Okay.
Your umbrella, your raincoats, your waterproof bags.
Okay.
Your waterproof laptop bag. Into bags and get you over and your baby and betting about there waterproof lunch box. Prana, betting yan so.
Okay. Also, what's approved then?
Lunch box.
Hey.
Lunch box, lunch bag.
Waterproof. Okay. And so these are all sort of products. I think so. Ubika or person kofanya maybe better or kofase siana within the next. Now, reading season echo for how long?
But you share a Ghana you ever starting the month of March now. I copy in September.
September. Okay. Into more taking decision now. No more taking action now. I think within 1 month, on your man beba meboa.
That's right.
Okay. No me till September.
That's right.
Okay, great idea. And I think say with the young young fat winning products no one by one. Yeah, we are not think say Mr. Bernard so better acquire a bit to me then at Tonya maybe from China to Ghana. Now Mr. Bernard meboa. Yeah. I'm one with Mr. Ben and your phones ni laptops on Kwano to me fabeto. Yeah. About other products so I'll be to me. I think so most people know Bernard say about phones ni laptop on Kwano be to me heading. I could be a beton, but with all these winning products, a bit to me I try how you can also buy some. Okay, into Sister Nancy, bit to me I take you through one by one of Nyamana, then yeah.
Okay, nti yɛbɛdi kan aka umbrella no ho asɛm. Nti umbrella no yɛwɔ emu ahorow, yɛwɔ deɛ yɛtumi de hyɛ bag mu, yɛwɔ deɛ wopɛ sɛ wokura a wobɛtumi ekura nti ɛna some of them nso no supplier na package ne nan such a way sɛ ebia wo use wie na sɛ wopɛ sɛ wode hyɛ wo bag mu a ɛwɔ waterproof cover bag a if anything, we na overboard na instead umbrella ni kwa within the asha waterproof bag ma too. The asha bag ma Emma be wo bag ni say kwa. Na yesamba if anything waterproof bag ni so a eno so ye bag a nso to a say product ya say laptop na share bag ni mo say o book with say bibia. Nso no bu super no ankasa be ye de ebe sanyo. Yes, and your raincoats, near the yayin in that. The shame, I only want to see a rubber, and so on. And I bet now call actually waterproof lunch box. It's an say, you know, you invest in a deep kind change and
Adrian,
and I be BRI, I say your point, and so we are with Gianni, we now the show. Lunch box in one, and our lunch bag in one. Your waterproof beer and so much grana, and say with Gianni, and I say Emma Gianni Angel.
These are some of it, and I said there are more products on which we are for the raining season.
For there are more products by for now, no, you better once in back.
Okay. And so I think said Sister Nancy Kayano, let's watch out for part 2. Of this video, the other list of winning products, beba. Okay, enti nyema we no mato bia e betumi e de akere ye tiefo ana.
Nti me say ade ba ho aye order free China e betumi de aye experiment ama wa say nyama ye kan nyina no e ye no kra. But you waterproof bag we laptop bag we and even if it's school bag ye so ye order free China.
Okay. And so this is one of the winning products no member.
Okay.
Okay.
Experiment across.
Okay. Pacho me the bag na ako top kakra ni yeah. Okay, ni enhwe. We are sure saying soon I'm mushie go so no. Okay. And Tianfa so obi share in the rain now. Okay. Oh, nothing. Okay.
Use your rubber.
Okay.
No reflection, baby.
And it's a waterproof bag. Oh, okay. Okay, so we're one of the winning products it's here for which media Tama schools, Juma, anywhere in the rain now is going to protect your belongings. And to wear one of the smartest products out here then will be to me at point. To way it's here for Moho. For TV, yeah, the Nyama way air bremo for free. And if you are thinking of buying a product, how so far Everton, there are things that one of these bags, waterproof bag, really, really good. Sister Nancy, thank you so much. Say Oma this apple for free. Now, Obi Shaye, now I say, okay, Mate, Mr. Person me kofa nyama be beton. How can they do this? You will apps be on between me issue now.
Try absolutely a dozen pan. You were 1688. You were Alibaba or you were Pindu or Honor. You were, in fact, even ideal fish are introducing and saying, if I iPhone so, and also power being a Starbucks, say, winning products, you do one. Okay. with me the apple process.
I think so. That's Braben's field. Oh yeah, experts. Oh, this field. Okay,
Yes.
to Braben, wait there. Obi share no percent offer this winning product here and then yabubosu here. How can they do it?
All right. So, image you the channel, bag you say, no, but take a screenshot side then. Free video na what they are called either Google now search for recent images. We know the exact year which man download in our PDF. Or either 68 and our Pinduoduo. All the image icon and our image search no and the search word I have so I don't want a lot of this type of bags and even the exact bags. Yes. And with me I have free Pinduoduo. 1,000 with me and have free 68. But this one here you took free Pinduoduo.
Pinduoduo,
so
okay.
Yeah, we have the links available. Other types of but in say is yeah, and creating for iTunes so actually and the next video. Yeah. And also search here the quality and they work with a lot of images for but which market the way I really sending here. We share the fake here with midnight but the full bags are wow and I'm being sent to the full amount. Yes.
Okay, now not because minim said it's safe for because I'm gonna say na apps ya working na you safe there.
Oh yeah, it's safe. 68 is safe. Yeah, the answer over to me island. I follow the steps involved, which is making sure say verify say supplier no legit or 5-star. Yeah.
Okay.
It is only the and also ultimately make payments up outside the app. Yeah, many answer and you register Alipay. Now page
Alipay account, me boy.
Yes, any payment yes. Any payment be very report to our accounting. If say could dealer say maybe our agent check more and yet in the offer which night I refund because after there I think say within 1 week time you have the right to return the package. But outside the app now you pay now which one block you go which one block or just cannot block you but
I block you.
Then they are going to say just yes the best way is said first of all you check for the reviews who is using data you check it for reviews and then and actually it's going to check it for return rate the higher the return rate I know what's me happen is to say product they always come back and buy it again. This is our return rate of 20% and I say 30% despite advice of the supplier. Yes, and I hear for Pinduoduo. So Pinduoduo they one of my favorite platform.
Would Tony Mapa?
Yeah, I know one.
Sir?
Say 10 review from
quality near good. It's here for Muti a Pinduoduo, Monfa app went to Mutim. It's a Pinduoduo de Nyamane one good quality. Me boy.
Yes.
Okay.
And I feel so and we process but from reviews in there or more a very fake review so it will have set back with no store no reviews now want your pictures go out different proper reviews on the church it's not that back into but unlike it's you go I get the rating on do 5 stars but product may be out then now I'm to be out time you to product hour and then the Luciana said the real product in life is
okay. I think you Jai Mr. Bernard, you ever call too detailed into technical. Because we'll be sure I'm sure say or your first viewer. And TTF will leave our contact on the video. In case so you'll be our share for the first time. Now we'll name this processor. Just what do you call it? Contact us. Say you provided training there and I'm boy.
Yeah, you're training the brain.
Okay. All right. And thank you so much in regards to this. And Sister Nancy, now person Kabibi.
Ana me pese me yet top up papa efa Pinduoduo.
Okay.
Adia ba so a me using Pinduoduo app na me hu won ho ne say e to dey kra auto adia no na say ebia omo reject wo warehouse for no ma supplier ntimi ye automatic refund amount
Okay.
Best no message. Sometimes so ne Korea service no bit very smooth interaction. Ebi on bit return product no to warehouse for no and on bit aboa wa hwehwe bibi a product no akodi say in case say ebi a Korea service no amfa product now for the right warehouse address.
Okay. Nti when you now Pinduoduo near more safer as compared to 1688, and Alibaba, no. Okay, and Yanum, thank you so much. I think so. You post a video way better. And please stay tuned to next week on the second part of the winning products for the rainy season. And our sister Nancy Meboa. Nafe, we will have a separate episode. Nafe, you're talking about all these apps what China will be to me Atonyamano from China to Ghana. I think the apps in the dorsum. But say you were experienced in a bit much remo apps are like quality no a good and a much safer as compared to the other app. I think say way a video it's here for then will be really interested in say omobeshe. Okay, I think so that should be all for this video. Sister Nancy, any last words?
With the closing remarks, we may say if we are interested, say big person senior, big one got away importation, and I say fine our gas of waiting at all and as I say we name ye crana waiting at me younger say wow say better woman now be say to my waiting at our and yet if you are winning products in funny waiting at our
exactly. Okay.
We're putting a priority about.
Okay. Yeah, I think this year no Mr. Bernard ko China. Nti we be up so fanyama dodoa you be giant number description section below nti for number we and a number net dark screen is no said the ekofanyama ya ye bia ekofanyama ba nti ekofanyama na be to me ahwe product na fanyama noiden abro within the Kwame Chumesi. Thank you Sister Nancy, thank you Mr. Bernard semunya daje am I recording video way next week exact same time yebesa di another episode aba yakramo bye.